get very tired and we feel very tired.
Now you are going to park. Now you are going to park and you saw the yoga. And you saw the yoga. In yoga sir are exercise in homemade. जैसे कि before time ladies are work in chakki to make to try chakki and yoga master are work yoga master exercise in chakki. पहले लोग चक्कियाँ घर में काम करती थी लेडीज. नाउ दिस टाइम योगा हो गया.
Yeah.
Many exercise not only chakki.
नहीं. Please give an example.
Many outdoor exercise on balcony. They will do many things.
They
Every time.
People should use artificial intelligence in limited ways, but not they will मतलब हमेशा एक ही नहीं, they will not take it granted. They have to, if they are मतलब if they are a sports player, they do not use artificial intelligence. They can get artificial intelligence is good for the person who is doing a home, mostly work from home, or the people who are old and for who are having a disease like diseases. And for our as we are young generation, so we do not take artificial intelligence for granted. We should use it in limited ways. Like we do not use only like if we are having robot at home, we do not use it on मतलब हमेशा नहीं use करना चाहिए, लिमिट में use करना चाहिए.
Many women who was household ladies, they used to make bijna, and they runs their house. But when we have fan, many people's using the fan, and the woman implement is stopped, and the robotics is
Good for us.
bad for
us.
Bad for us.
Sometimes it is too beneficial for us because in foreign countries like I don't know name of the country, but in foreign countries there are robotic nurses who help doctors to treat a patient.
And robots also help many great scientists, as the scientists want a good helper for the experiment. So a robot is a good helper than human.
The robot mind is very good in
Very
comparison.
And even if we want to experiment something like चंद्रमा पे कौन गया था?
Neil Armstrong.
चावला चट्टी
अरे बाबा इंसान नहीं.
विक्रम उसका नाम
अंशिका गई थी.
Information मंगल like so that they wasn't they didn't send a person to check or to research there. They sent a robot to research there.
And artificial intelligence is also good because sometimes we मतलब हम कहीं घर पे कोई चीज रख के भूल जाते हैं.
If you forget something,
We forget something in our home, and we are finding it at a time, but we are not getting it. But if the artificial intelligence come to home, we can say that I am not getting this thing. Give me that, get me that. So they can provide us. So it is good. It is good for
we are making smart
Now, nowadays, every time robots are. Nowadays, sir, Aditya says everyone I forgive anything, and robot comes and you there are disease. So at the time robot is damaged or
robot नहीं artificial intelligence
artificial intelligence.
artificial intelligence कैमरा सो बोल देगा ना तो वो Alexa Google Assistant artificial intelligence
तो तुझे आगे देंगे
at the time Alexa is damaged.
What do you do?
Ceiling is every
What do you
come
do?
here.
1%. Exceptional है वो तो 1%.
it is actually
So now, Alexa, please tell me my yes.
it is yes
Wait
it
my
is
shirt. Alexa is not here.
When अगर if robot are full work तो humans are will do what? What
This time.
human do? मतलब robot ही सारा काम करती है तो humans क्या करेंगे?
Next will time all Raj robot का होगा इंसान नहीं बैठे humans are sitting there and all India all world coverage or robot with robot only robot इंसान अगर बोलेगा
we are having the control of robot
रोबोट कंट्रोल मतलब आदमियों के द्वारा ही मतलब ये कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है हो गया
humans are controlled by
We are king.
robots are controlled
nowadays time is very precious मतलब very precious and before time मतलब many मतलब few people going चंद्रमा moon and मतलब गए थे मतलब उस टाइम and उनको पहुंचने में मतलब
It took time.
it took time में मतलब बहुत समय लगा था
It took so much time to reach moon.
moon and nowadays my scientist मतलब
Within 24 hours you can go to Mars and come back.
and nowadays 2022 Amazon
Amazon is going to send
going
people to Mars.
1 crore rupees and going to moon and 22 yeah 12 मतलब कुछ ऐसा ही and all people going to moon and मतलब घूम सकते हैं मतलब
We can wander.
Wonderland
We can travel
एक घंटे
Mars.
you are right and also as you have said that time is precious and human life is also very precious so if anyone if any scientist want to do a great experiment which hurt human life we can do it on robots but because if robot fails we can make a new robot but if a human die we cannot make
We have a very example of Japan. Like their people have like very less time. Like their time are very expensive. So what they are doing, they are like investing in IT sector and they are developing so much. They are making their work easy.
nowadays and Taliban and Afghanistan मतलब वो मतलब और हो रहा था फाइट हो रही है तो हम जो हमारे my army and joined many robots and he fight other state other country and no army soldier no dead and robot dead on new and all new robot constructed and make and my army is very powerful and great.
Yes, you are right. And one more point I want to say that we see that in some YouTube videos and in real life also people who take maid in their home to wash clothes and to clean your house. They sometimes they rob things from the home. We have seen in movies and in YouTube videos also. But if we are having robots and artificial intelligence in home, we do not have to take maid for that, and our things will be safe.
Crime will be reduced and like in the corruption become very less. Like it's an example of Dubai, like the police. They have very less police and their corruption are very less because like they have a machine you can do like take any information about any criminal, any crime, so you don't have need of any police. And this type of thing we do not need to give bribe to person, and this thing will be reduced the corruption.
Nowadays, in Faridabad, in a escort company, and 3 minutes ready one tractor, and he make matlab it's make a robot by robot, but human make and one tractor 24 hours and 1 day, but robot is make a 3 minutes and 3 मिनट में मतलब एक ट्रैक्टर तैयार हो जाता है रोबोट के द्वारा, मतलब और उसी काम को इंसान करे तो 1 या 2 दिन तक लग सकते हैं.
And robot know all the things from washing clothes to making food. So if we are working in company and we want to eat something special, like we want to eat pav bhaji in dinner, so we can operate from our phone. We can operate from our phone and say to robot that please make pav bhaji for dinner, and when we reach home our dinner will be ready by robot.
मैं Aditya says right, and nowadays I am use Amazon and Flipkart and Zomato. I am my मतलब हमारा मन करता है मतलब कि
We love to eat.
कोई भी चीज मतलब मंगा लेते हैं मतलब
We order.
He ordered Zomato and Flipkart and 20 and 25 minutes, and he gives and हम जो order देते हैं वो मतलब
It comes. We receive.
And
even robots have
बहुत हो गया बहुत हो गया
नहीं बेटा रोक नहीं सकते आप ऐसे.
बोल तो बोल ना तू.
We ordered the robot and to make pav bhaji. How you know that what robot सदाल में क्या कहते हैं?
Add.
What robot add in this pav bhaji, and the robot add something wrong. So what?
No feelings, no emotion, no taste.
Nowadays, my scientists are very intelligent, and he use many sensors and many.
The robot has no taste, no emotion.
No.
It was developed
yeah.
अगर ऐसा है, 1 second. If robot every feeling, so I don't need a girl. I have married a robot.
True बेटा, it's happening. It is happening. It's happening. It's happening बेटा. People are बेटा it's happening. बेटा people are having sex robot. It's happening. It's true.
जन्म कैसे बोला तो है आने वाले टाइम में रोबोट राज करेंगे, हम नहीं.
ये क्या बात है? रोबोट में इंसान चल रहे हैं.
50% अगर आप इमोशन डालते हो.
रोबोट सारा काम करेगा, इंसान क्या करेगा?
No बेटा no Hindi. Hindi no point no Hindi no point.
You have said that.
and even it's too beneficial for us.
अरे उनसे काम भी कभी करवाएंगे.
There is a lot of diseases in humans like
Okay. Because
Nowadays, India, developing country. Oh, सुनो भैया. Nowadays, India is a developing country, and many building constructed, and many roads and many bridges, and with a very big वो बड़े-बड़े पत्थर होते हैं, उनको human not उठा सकते हैं और मतलब.
There is a like example like there is a building and we have to like government give to like building को side करना है.
And
Human can't move machine.
in Dubai, tallest building is Burj Khalifa, and मतलब सबसे नीचे की बिल्डिंग पर जाने के लिए हमें कितने दिन लगेंगे बताओ? 168 मंजिला
If there is no-
हमें लिफ्ट लगी है उस दवाई लिख के
and robotics and artificial intelligence also decreases the road traffic because in upcoming few years we see that like Swiggy and Zomato they are not hiring delivery boy. For that we are having drones and if drones are coming from it will take less time to
2019 है सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक इन पाकिस्तान मतलब जो भी कुछ वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक सक्सेसफुल हुआ था वो ड्रोन की वजह से हुआ था, नहीं तो वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो ही नहीं पाता।
Okay.
ड्रोन की वजह से ही हुआ
Okay.
मतलब सक्सेस हुआ।
Aditya says that waiter robot is good for us and also good robot who aware to know household work. As you know that India is a developing country. Here is many people who was non-educated and illiterate. They have no option to get any job except like a labor, like a waiter, and means it's a lower job. If robot replace their place, so how they survive?
Like now, in future, people are going educated.
But nowadays it is not possible.
In the developing countries, so people are educated.
But in present, okay.
No.
It is very. You say that after 10 or 12 years, after 10 or 12 years, technology, many people get educated. But when we talk about उससे पहले,
Before that.
10 or 12 years, those people who are not educated, so how they can survive?
Today
yes
we all are using electronic
No,
machines.
if illiterate people cannot do work as a nurse.
They are.
If I talk about I am illiterate, okay, can I do a work like a bank manager? Tell me that. If I can I do a work as a nurse, as a doctor? So,
Yes,
before time, no MRI machine, no X-ray machine, मतलब लोग को अंदरूनी बीमारी होती तो उसको मतलब पता नहीं कर पाते थे। तो nowadays MRI machine
But I said
and one man going MRI machine and all problem in my body and
CT scan.
front
Rohtas भैया, I
CT
say
scan.
for
भैया ना मैं
illiterate
बात
people
करता
This is CT scan. CT
yes
scan
for
होता है,
non-educated
CT
and
scan.
MRI है, पूरा
we
body
can
को
find a way.
As
वो जब रोबोट ही ना रहेंगे तो
in such case in such case we can find the way we will get we have to work for that we can find the way example like to operate the robots and artificial intelligence we are having the software developers but as an assistant they can assist the software developer and the good workers will teach the illiterate people how to work because to work they did not they can learn by experience for 1-2 years they can work under them and then they can know.
If we will stop the robot like IT sector, our country will not develop.
In future, everybody wants to become engineer because there is a value of machines and engineer will make machine. But the other streams like arts and commerce, what they will do? If anybody wants to become teacher and police and cook, what he will do? Because the post of these people were replaced from the robots.
Yes, I accept his point. He is right.
Counter question.
He is right.
Complete the point.
In that case, if the teachers and that post is there will be not 100% robots in our country because if the 100% robots in our country, where the humans will go? So the robots are only necessary in that country, like in restaurant, like in hotels, like in hospitals. but not in education sector. In education sector also we can have the robot for like to give water in classroom,
Attendance.
to take attendance. Like we have seen in many companies, we are not having in 20 to 30 years back we have to sign in company to make attendance, but now we are having thumbprint. In my school also, Agarwal Sector 3, teachers uses thumbprint or card to make attendance, and it is good. But for education purpose, to teach, teachers are only good because they can only understand the students well. In schools, robots are in schools, artificial intelligence work in this case like like to switch on lights, switch on fans. In examination, if anyone wants to drink water, the artificial robots come and can give them water, because many children go out in the class.
It takes time.
It takes time, and many takes chits on their pocket and go to washroom and to drink water, and they see, so they are they are
You check the videos
And even due to coronavirus, we
In the last city, we will go like our legs are pain, so we will go outside.
yes, you are right. We can go outside. For that we can
Rule.
In future, robot crewed are humans. On humans. Robots crewed.
Rule. RULE rule.
In future, robots rule on humans.
No. Many.
Yeah?
We are giving instruction and they are not giving instructions. But
We are operating
we say
them.
they will do.
Women operate
We are
and
operating them. Yes.
robots and he not rule human. कैसे डांस कर सकते हो?
Beta, wait. Here you can make a question. Have you ever seen one thing on Google? They are asking to choose the pictures. What they want to do? They want to identify, is there a artificial intelligence? Is there a robot
And
who is working itself?
if we want to fill any form, or like in Gmail also we have to take are you a robot? Are you a robot? We have to click in that, because they want to see that any artificial intelligence.
So she is saying it may rule the people. She is saying it may rule human being. Because beta, you have made, because you are saying we are instructing robots. Now robots can instruct robots. Robots can create robots, then what will you do?
There are good robots, so there are also bad robots.
Humans are good, humans are bad. Robots are good and robots are bad. तुम कैसे पता लगाओगे?
Country are making
How can
in comparison of army, in comparison of army, their country are making robots for fight. If robot will fight in comparison of army, it's like very big destruction. If they are making laser guns, but man, like बहुत खतरनाक हथियार बना रहे हैं.
They are making very dangerous weapons, and those are going to be harmful.
Army making a Rafale and मतलब Rafale and many
Dangerous.
jet and missile and मतलब वो एक जगह मतलब अपने in my country I am sitting here and launch missiles and other countries very damage and
It's a plane. We are making robots for fight.
For that army we can do this thing, like our scientists can make the protective cage that which our Indian army can wear, and if they wear that, they will only operating that, and they also get protected from weapons, from ammos.
What about women? Other women?
No, all army. If our soldiers will wear that shield,
Like this country are fighting and other country are also robots. They will fight. So,
yes, they can also fight. बट मतलब थोड़ा सेफ्टी तो होगी. We can have safety.
What safety? Right? How we will have safety?
मतलब कहाँ पे?
मतलब देख जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल nowadays if our army going to war and another country like Pakistan army shoot our army shoot one soldier, our soldier will get dead or injured. But if our scientists will make that shield or protective cage that which our army can wear, our soldiers can wear, if then it is like bulletproof jacket to whole body.
Army will say, what will about us?
What are you doing at that place?
बस वहाँ का है वहाँ
If
जाएंगे
the country is attacking, they will attack on that enter they will
आर्मी बचाने के लिए तो है हमारी.
So,
They are
But
also
army
doing
will-
like climate destruction.
बचाने के लिए आर्मी तो है.
ऐसा तो भैया कोई बात नहीं चल रोबोट न मारेंगे तो जो भी आतंकवादी है जो ह्यूमन है वे तो मारेंगे तो हम इस तरह जो रोबोट भी मारेंगे मतलब दोनों काम तो वही करेगा रोबोट और काम
तो भाई तो मुझे
आर्मी
चाहिए।
Okay, robot work as a part. If robot hacked by in enemy, so what we do?
What?
If robot hang means control, यानी कि वो उस पे control वाले.
If enemy controls robots,
If enemy controls robot, so what we do?
Yes, in that case it is very dangerous for our country. In that case it is very dangerous.